Do you miss seeing this? Do you miss seeing the raindrops fall? Do you miss seeing the fervor of festivities? Even they miss it. The poor who live life needlessly blind.
For the last 27 years, we have been ensuring that millions of families do not miss the simple joys of life. For a few of them, their lives have been transformed. Because they got us.
All of us working together in the US have helped brighten millions of lives through eye hospitals in India.
Starting with one Sankara Eye Hospital in Coimbatore, within 27 years, we are now a network of 29 hospitals in 14 states of India. Thanks to your support, just last year alone, we provided 447,000 families the gift of vision for free. Now it is time to create history. To reach out to the millions who still live life in darkness. A groundbreaking effort to scale this program, providing 1 million free eye surgeries to the poor annually by 2030.
This means more hospitals to serve them, more experts to take care of them, more outreach to reach millions of families, and most importantly, we see the need for all of us here in the US to do more, to brighten the lives of 1 million families every year. We see the future with you and us.
A future where working together, nobody has to be needlessly blind just because they cannot afford eye care.
In the end, you can see a world full of love, hope and brightness when you see it from their eyes. Join us in our march to providing 1 million free eye surgeries annually to those in need.